you talk?
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, he's beautiful. Nice colors.
Nice color.
How long is he a baby?
No, already 1 year something.
Oh,
1
so
year.
sweet.
So sweet. Same like you. So sweet. What's your name?
Marie, what's yours?
Marie. I'm Deva. Deva. Are you Australia?
Yeah, Sydney.
Oh, Sydney. Oh, that's. I love Sydney.
It's okay. It's not that great.
Yeah. Hope someday can going to Sydney.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very nice place. It's my dream place.
The harbor's nice.
Pardon?
Anything else? The harbor bridge, opera house.
Yeah.
That's nice. Anything else? It's like junkies, like scary people.
Wow. Oh, but I'm not scary people. I like fish.
Oh,
I like fish. I like beautiful folk. I like beautiful people. I like beautiful girls. I'm like you.
Thank you. You're very you're handsome. You're nice.
Oh, thank you. Are you have boyfriend already?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend, but it's a bit weird.
Oh. But you look so sweet, so very sweet.
Thank you. I appreciate that. So do you. You look good. You dress good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So sweet.
Hey, she's so sweet. She's so sweet.
Are they being nice to you?
Yeah.
He's so little.
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful.
She like
so
you.
Good.
She like you. She like you.
Hey, Daddy. What's his name?
Popo.
Oh.
Popo.
Papa.
Popo.
Hi,
Your name Mari?
Yeah.
I'm Marty. Glad to see you. Glad to see you, Marty. Glad to see you. Marty. But you have boyfriend already, right?